Welcome to Epic Echoes, where we bring the vibrant world of festivals right to your screens. Get ready to immerse yourself in the rich traditions and colors of India. Step into a world of joy and celebration as we take you on a virtual journey through the festivals of India. From the colorful Holi, where the air is filled with laughter and splashes of vibrant hues, to the mesmerizing Diwali, a festival of lights that illuminates the night sky. Experience the spiritual fervor of the Kumbh Mela, where millions of devotees gather to cleanse their sins in the sacred waters. Witness the breathtaking spectacle of dancers and musicians at the Pushkar Camel Fair, a vibrant congregation of culture and trade. Indulge in the mouth-watering delicacies like the sweets of Raksha Bandhan or the delicious treats of Durga Puja, and be a part of the culinary festivities that will tantalize your taste buds. Immerse yourself in the beats of Garba during Navratri or the energetic dances of Baisakhi. Let the rhythms of these cultural traditions fill your heart with joy and excitement. Join us on this exceptional journey through India's festivals, as we bring the magic and beauty of these celebrations directly to you. Celebrate diversity, unity, and the rich heritage of a country that embraces festivities like no other. Thank you for joining us on this captivating virtual experience. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys into the world of festivals. Until next time, stay festive and keep exploring.